pageant is making new claims against the CEO Inapati and her company Exclusive Events. The first runner-up of Miss Ghana 2013, Margaret, has made new claims and allegations of extortion, and she is said to have resigned 2 weeks after winning the competition as the first runner-up due to some personal grievances she had with the Miss Ghana organizers. She alleged that Inapati asked them to go and look for their own money to buy their first and second runner-up crowns. Now, Margaret has also revealed how Inapati allegedly paraded them from office to beg for money, and that left them embarrassed. After receiving money from the big men, the ladies were also given dinner offers. This, Margaret said, was hazardous for her and the other queens, and though Ina and her company were aware, she kept on pushing them to be smart with these big men.